Hey Chris, so I just wanted to give you a quick update of where we're at with everything. It's pretty much ready to go in terms of integrations and all the systems and operating systems set up and working together now. So just give you a quick run through of how it's all set up and how you can access it or change anything in the future if you need to. So in your active campaign, we have and set up two separate lists. So once you log in, you jump over here to the left side, you'll see lists. So we've got 100 KT strategy session consults and 100 KT training leads. So the 100 KT training leads is anyone who opts into this here. So they opt in for that reserve my seat, and then they go to this page where they watch that quick video. So anyone who opts into that, they'll get placed into this list. And so this list will also trigger the workflow that you sent over to us. There's 5 emails. And so to access that, you just go to the left here to automations. And it is the 100 KT video training workflow. So we've set up those 5 emails to go out a day apart each. So the first one will go out straight away. And then within each email, we've got the upsell to the strategy call. So that takes me onto the second list. So the second list is for those strategy calls. So the strategy session consults. So as soon as anyone opts in at any point along that funnel, whether it's day one, whether it's instantly if they go through the whole process in the one sitting and then end up on this page and schedule a call, or whether it's through the email on day 5, for example, at any point, at any time someone opts in for a strategy session, they'll get removed from this list and placed into this list. The reason we've done that is we don't want to keep hitting people with the message and upselling them a strategy call if they've already opted in. So if someone opts in on that second day, on the second email, they get removed from this list and placed onto this list. Cool. So that's all set up in terms of the emails working and the actual funnel working and flowing together. And with your Pipedrive, so anyone who opts in for a strategy call here through the Acuity scheduler that you've got set up, they will go into your Pipedrive. And Norman, he's our developer, so they go into your Pipedrive, into your contacts, people, under the Cochrane Consulting Organization. The email will be there, the phone number, and then they should just end up. That's how they end up in your Pipedrive. So that's all pretty much ready to go set up. One last thing that I would like to do, so with Kajabi, it looks like you've got the pixels already set up from your Facebook account, which is good. But what Kajabi does, I think you must have set it up in this section here where it just asks for your pixel. So that just places your base code pixel across all of your pages. So there's actually no conversion or objective pixel placed on these pages. So there's two things that we can do here. We can either edit the code manually and add one in, or probably the easier option is to jump into your Facebook ad account and then just set up custom conversions. So that's probably the last thing we need to do. Obviously, I think yesterday I emailed you just saying if you wanted some help, but it looks like you've updated the content now, which is all cool. So yeah, the last thing that we'll need to do is just set up these custom conversions, just so we can optimize and track correctly once you start running ads out of your Facebook. So just thought I'd give you a little overview and let you know how it's all running, how it's all set up. And if you wanted to have a chat or just shoot over your any feedback or anything like that, then yeah, feel free to let me know. And if not, then yeah, I'll chat to you soon. Thank you.